Now we get to the marketing piece. A major benefit of publishing Kindle books is that you can add clickable links to help you grow your list and your business. Amazon offers opportunities for marketing your Kindle books with KDP Select, countdown deals, and Kindle Unlimited. And those are just some of the opportunities that they offer. I'm going to share these three with you here today. Let's talk about the KDP Select program first, because by enrolling in the KDP Select program, you'll have access to their other programs. So what you want to do is you want to enroll your Kindle book, your ebook, in the optional KDP Select program because it gives you the opportunity to reach more readers and earn more money. What you need to do is make your ebook exclusive to the Kindle store during the 90-day period. Every 90 days, it renews. You can either have it auto-renew, or you can cancel it, or you can uncheck the box where it auto-renews. But during the period of the 90 days that you're enrolled in the KDP Select program, you cannot have the ebook version available anywhere else. You can have the print book available anywhere you want, but the ebook, you can't sell it from your website, you can't sell it from Barnes & Noble. You need to have it exclusive on the Kindle store during that 90-day period. So as long as you agree to that, and they have like bots that go out to the website, and if you're published someplace else, they'll find it, and you don't want to receive a penalty. So you just agree to their terms, you mark your calendar, and that's going to also enroll you in the Kindle Unlimited program and the Kindle Owners Lending Library. And we're going to talk about those here today. You also get access to more promotional tools. For example, you can schedule a Kindle countdown deal. And I'm going to go into more detail about what a Kindle countdown deal is, because that can really boost sales. It's basically a time-limited promotional discounting of your book. You can also offer a free book promotion, which is a great way to get your book into a lot of people's hands, especially if you're using it as a lead generation, because people can click to get on your email list. It'll also bump you up into the bestseller category in the free version of the free section of Kindle. So there are positive attributes to having a free book promotion. You don't want to do that all the time, but it can definitely boost awareness of your book. When you're in the KDP Select program, you can earn higher royalties. You can earn your share of the KDP Select Global Fund, and it's based on how many pages people read from your book. They can't read the same page over and over and over again, but how many first page reads. So if someone, and in Kindle, it's not, I don't know how they judge pages, because the page size on a cell phone is much smaller than the page size on a computer screen, for example. So it might be based on word count, but they call it pages for just for clarification. You can also maximize your sales potential by choosing between the countdown deals or the free book promotion. So when you're in KDP, maybe during the 90-day period, the first 90-day period, maybe you're going to do a countdown deal. And maybe when you re-enroll it into another 90-day period, you can use a free book promotion. Now, when you do the free book promotion, it's not 90 days free. When I was enrolled last in the KDP Select program, you're allowed to have 5 free days during the 90-day period. I'm not sure what it is now. They're always changing it, so we can research that to see what the current requirement is, and it's right on the Amazon website, but it does give you a lot of opportunity. So when you're enrolled in the KDP Select program, you need to publish exclusively on Kindle, your ebook. So what you do is the digital format is only available through KDP. That means you can't distribute your book digitally anywhere else, including your website, blogs, etc. However, as I mentioned, you can continue to distribute your physical book, audiobook, other formats elsewhere. Just the ebook version you cannot have available anywhere but on KDP Select. And you can research on Amazon to read all about their terms and conditions. KDP Select gets you access to the Kindle Unlimited and the Kindle Owners Lending Library programs. Your book will be available for anyone to buy in the Kindle store, and you'll continue to earn royalties on those sales. Let's talk about the countdown deals. With the countdown deals, right now they're available only at Amazon.com and or Amazon.co.uk. So it's not global. Right now it's just in the UK and the US. And customers will see, what will happen is when you enroll your book in the countdown deal, your customers will see both the regular price and the promotional price. So they're going to see that, oh, it's on sale. They'll also see a countdown clock. And psychologically, that boosts sales because people get excited. They want to take advantage of the special before it expires. And you'll also continue to earn your selected royalty rate on each sale during your promotion. So that is really special because if it doesn't fall within the guidelines for 70%, if you add the countdown deal, Amazon's not going to penalize you. They're still going to get you your 70% if you had registered it originally between $2.99 and $9.99. So let's talk about the benefits of the countdown deals. They're time tested. Not only does this give you more control over how long your book is discounted, but the time remaining for the promotion is visible to customers, and this will increase excitement and sales. They will see the regular price, and so they'll realize that they're getting a deal and they'll want to take advantage of the special while it's available. They also have a dedicated website, a Kindle Countdown Deals, and some people will go there to search for deals. So you're going to be featured on a site where people are going to look to buy books. So you can see there's a lot of wide-reaching ways that you can market your book on Amazon. Let's talk about Kindle Unlimited now. Kindle Unlimited, what that is, it's a subscription service, so people pay monthly in many countries across the world, not in all countries, currently in the countries listed on the screen. And what that allows people to do is they can read as many books as they like. It's like a library. They check out one book at a time. And then when they're done, I believe it's one book at a time. You know, they're always changing things up a little bit, but let's just say they check out one book at a time for a monthly subscription fee. And then when they return the book, they can check out another book. So that's a wonderful service for people who love to read their books on Kindle, or people who are going on a trip and they don't want to take a lot of books with them. That would be a great time to register for Kindle Unlimited. And when you're registered in the KDP Select program, you're automatically registered in the Kindle Unlimited program. And the thing is, people do not have to be Amazon Prime members in order to register as a subscriber to the Kindle Unlimited program. You don't pay to promote in the Kindle Unlimited program, but readers pay to be able to check out the books. So here's how you enroll in the Kindle Unlimited program. If you have a book enrolled in the KDP Select program, it will automatically be enrolled in the Kindle Unlimited program. It will also automatically be enrolled in the Kindle Owners Lending Library. So look at all this opportunity for exposure. Kindle Owners Lending Library is a collection of books that Amazon Prime members, so this one is for Prime members who own a Kindle, can choose one book from each month with no due dates. So that is a perk for Prime members, and it's for Prime members who are reading their book on a Kindle. So there's a Kindle app that you can open on your phone and on your iPad and on your computer. However, to get the books from the lending library, they need to own a Kindle device, and it will be available to them through that. So you may be saying, well, what if I want to sell my book from my website? I want to sell the digital version. I want to sell the ebook version. You can. What you want to do is you want to opt out of the of the KDP Select program. So if you are enrolled, just make sure that it's set so that it doesn't auto-enroll, or when you're first publishing your book, that you uncheck the box and you don't enroll your book in the KDP Select program. and you can go through that when you go through the publishing process. And as long as you're not in the KDP Select program, you can sell your book on Etsy and on your website or wherever else you want to sell your digital book. But remember, the KDP Select program does not affect your print books. You can do whatever you want with your print books, regardless of whether or not you're in the KDP program. So here's how customers get your book. When customers subscribe to the Kindle Unlimited program, they're going to see a badge next to your KDP Select enrolled book, indicating that the book is available as a Kindle Unlimited book. They can also visit, Amazon also has a page for Kindle Unlimited books. So people who have Kindle Unlimited subscription, they go there to see what books are included in their membership. So again, these are people who are looking for books to read, and if they see a book that they're interested in and your book is that book or your series is, of interest to them, then they're going to take note and start to read your books. And remember, you also get a share of the KDP Select Global Fund, so you're profit sharing with Amazon, and it's based on the number of individual customer read pages of your books. So again, people can't read the same page over and over again, but there's a way that their algorithm can tell how many pages are read. And so you want your book to be compelling, because the more people read through your whole book, not just skim the first couple of sections, the more credit you'll get in the KDP Select Global Fund profit sharing program. That could be fun, right? Another way to make a little money from your books. There are so many possibilities available to you on Amazon Kindle. I hope you can see why I'm so excited about the possibilities as far as boosting income, gaining credibility, getting your ideas into print publications, and what that can do for your business and what that can do for your prestige and for your sense of self-confidence. It's just so exciting, whether it's a book that you hold in your hand or a book that you see on Amazon Kindle on the computer. It's so exciting to see your work in print.